What's up, world? Back again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I clean out my truck. You know what I'm saying? I try to clean it at least once a week. It's been a couple of weeks, I'm not gonna lie, so it's a little dirty, but I'm gonna show y'all how I clean my truck from top to bottom. I really don't necessarily need to clean like the cabinets and whatnot. As y'all can see, it just got like snacks and whatnot. Hella cashews, hella like granola snacks. Then these are my clothes. I need to do a little better when it comes to that, so I might even organize as well. Cause honestly, I think I got too many clothes, but then again, it look all bulky because it got colder, so I went to my storage and got a bunch of hoodies. Therefore, you know, hoodies are bigger, so you know it makes it look a little bulky and whatnot. So that's that. Right here, I just got a bunch of grocery bags for some reason. I really don't know why, but got a bunch of grocery bags. Finally got my laptop from out my storage because I need to do things on my laptop. I lost my charger, so I went and bought a charger. And I got Rocky right here. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm from Houston, but I lived in Colorado for several years. And with that being said, I'm a Nuggets fan as well, so I got Rocky. Shout out to Rocky. And that's pretty much it. But the floor, bro, the floor. Get the floor, so very dirty, boot, shoes, just work stuff, trash can. So I'm gonna sweep because look at this, it's a mess. Shower, slippers, and what is this? Oh yeah, phone case recorder, holder. It don't work. I was supposed to return this, man. What am I doing? They gonna get my money back. That's why I kept it, because it don't work for my phone. So I got the receipt in here. Oh, I do. Oh yeah, I'm about to go return this and go get my money. But I need to throw these away too because I made these my shower slippers. They old. Use them. I really just be walking around in Crocs for the most part. I be getting clowned for that, but it is what it is. My wallet, I floss all the time, so I got several packs of floss sticks. But yeah, it looks all dusty and stuff, but after I'm done with this, it's gonna look all clean. And look at why is this here? Why did I have a plastic bag there? That was goofy of me. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Man, I see a lot of people sleeper and stuff, and they be having like storages right here at the top, or like, and I'm sure it's bigger than this sleeper. So all I got is this side. I got a little fan, and then this side. And look at that, bro. I don't even know how that got there. I don't know what I did, but yeah, we're gonna clean all that. Got my sheets. I washed my sheets yesterday. I washed my sheets. If I don't clean a truck once a week, I for sure wash my sheets once a week. That's mandatory. So washed my sheets last night. I had to go to a washateer because my mama didn't answer the phone. And I don't know where the heck she was at. I think she probably went clubbing or something, bro, because I called her probably around like 9:30, 10. So she was probably at Caro's or Pharaoh's. Nah, I'm playing. Hopefully she wasn't at Pharaoh's or Caro's. She shouldn't be at none of those places, honestly. Shout out to those places though. But yeah, let me get to it though, man. Y'all watch me work. finished the back cabin as far as the floor, you know what I mean? So I got it all swept. I put some of that cleaner down on the floor, scrubbed it down. So this is the end result. All right, as you can see, way cleaner than it used to look. I need to clean those vents too. Ooh, that's not good. We can't be breathing in that crap. But everything else, even to the bark, you feel me? All in there is clean. Yeah, we shining, boy. Let's get it. All right, so now I'm gonna clean the front part. I'm even gonna clean all up there, like wheel, all that good stuff. All that's getting clean. I need something where I can clean these seats, because the previous person that had this truck, I don't know what they were doing, but look at these seats. So if y'all got any suggestions or what have you on how to clean these seats, because even the driver's seat, like bro head was dirty, bro. Okay. Yeah, if y'all got any suggestions, man, let me know. I'm gonna put some of this stuff in the back, like my work shoes, my slippers, my shower slippers, all that good stuff. Put that all in the back. All right, so this right here, this really kind of upset me. So I use black seed oil, like for everything, for my skin. I put it in my hair. I actually take like a tablespoon, not every day, but I take it often. You know what I mean? And not gonna lie, it's not good, but it's good for you. But last night, it fell out my backpack after I showered, and the bottle didn't break, but the top did. So it's gonna be sitting right there until I'm done with it. Got a pair of shades. I got a butter knife for my gourmet peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I need to wash that thing too. Look how dirty it is. All right, let me get to it. Bro, why is this in here, bro? Why do I have this in here? What have I been doing these past couple of weeks? better, man. Much better. That's for my footprints and whatnot, but you get the picture though. You definitely get the picture. Now it's time to clean the door, all this, and that's pretty much it. Then I'll be done. I'll show y'all the end results. Okay, so the end results is yeah, it looks real clean. That's my paperwork. Yeah. Doors look clean. Okay. My chargers and whatnot. It's a bit organized too. You know, got my keys right there. This is the only issue. That's not coming out. I don't know what that is, but I tried everything. It's not coming out. I'm gonna organize these clothes too. Some more clothes over there. Food. More food. Jackets. I'm about to go get some fruit too and some breakfast. Yeah, but yeah. I need to clean these seats. Y'all see what I'm talking about, right? That look disgusting, bro. Like, what's going on? You know, even mine. It's not as bad, but it's still bad. Gotta get that clean somehow, some way. Gotta figure that out. But there it is. Just cleaned out my truck, cleaned it all up. I'll throw away this trash, go get some breakfast, go see my niece, drop my car off, and head to my destination. As always, I need y'all to stay safe out here, keep trucking, and utilize your gifts.